Dan's been playing in the mud again. In a pond in Glastonbury. You got any ponds in Glastonbury?
Yeah, in the Abbey.
Ah, in the Abbey. Well, that is really mud pack that helps exfoliate the oils from the scalp. Nice one, Dan.
Excellent.
Right, thank you, Danny. No, you haven't been arrested, so you don't have to stand like you've been arrested. Give us a swirl, turn around. Slowly, that's it.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was pictures.
No, I'm doing videos. Right, keep going round, so that's it, go on. And keep spin right round. So we can get all that in again. That's fab. Nice new look, well done. Hello, Dan.
Alright, Phil.
You've changed. You've just gone whipped in and told Stuart to change your hairstyle to forward because you prefer it, don't you?
Yeah, I like it just looking kind of more relaxed and natural than the quiff thing. I like
the quiff thing.
This is
Let's not forget quiff though, because that's how you found us.
Yeah.
Let's do a little bit of a piss take on that one. I'm always up for that. Right, right, Quiff, how you doing? So here is our man. There. You haven't got him, we have. Right, so I couldn't resist that. So give us a spin round with the forward look, because Dan's all up for an easy life.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he finds this foam with Emily. You find it so much easier to attach and maintain, don't you?
Yeah, you just have to use the tape and not the glue.
Yeah.
Which is, I prefer.
You prefer it, don't you? Yeah. All right. Okay. So give us a smile before we go then. Look like you're happy.
Very happy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.